Lead Solutions Architect at Aperion. And today I'm excited to show you our new kiosk offering. I'm specifically going to show you our kiosk offering in the form of an app we call Noble Cork. It's designed to be used at a wine store to help customers choose a wine based upon their palate. So they would come in and they would hit Let's Get Started, and then they would first be presented with a question like, what are you eating? Notice it's a visually rich, very easy to understand interface. So they would say, perhaps I'm eating like a steak with a fruit compote on the side. So I'm going to hit next. And then it asks me, do I prefer reds, whites, or something else? And I'll say reds, because that's particularly what I like, especially with steak. Are there any varieties that stand out to me? And in this case, I'd say Cab and Merlot very much stand out. It's what I know, it's what I really enjoy. And are there any varieties I dislike? Well, I really dislike Rieslings. So that was eliminated completely from the rankings. Are there any flavors which I prefer? And I really like a more peppery wine, so I'll select that. But there could be a large array of particular flavors for me to choose from. And then how much do I typically like to spend per bottle? The default selection of $10 to $20 is right in my price point, so I'll just leave that as the default. And then which characteristics do I prefer? Of this list, I'm going to go with fruity. And when I hit next, it shows me that I'm complete, and I'm presented with a list of results. Out of the 1,000+ wines that were being sold at this particular store, you'll see that I'm whittled down to a list of a mere 22 wines. Much easier to sort through than that enormous, unwieldy list of every wine out there. By default, it's sorted by price, but I can also sort by value, by rating, by region, or by name. Each wine is presented with its name, its vintage year, and then more detailed notes about the wine, including tasting notes, etc. And a label for easy identification. From this screen, I can choose to forward the wine to myself as an email or post on Twitter or Facebook. I can share the entire list with myself or my wife or anybody else. I can hit previous and go back and refine my results further if I need to. Or I can simply just hit done, pick up that bottle, and head to checkout. Hope you've enjoyed our walkthrough of Noble Cork and our kiosk application, and I look forward to custom tailoring this application to your particular needs.